PLTR was trending at some point yesterday, the 2nd of January 2026. The stock is under noticeable selling pressure as traders point to a mix of year end portfolio repositioning, profit taking, and tax loss harvesting as key drivers behind this five straight session of losses. The pullback also comes against a backdrop of broader market softness, which has added volatility across many high growth and AI linked names. Within the community, opinion is sharply divided. Bulls argue the stock is becoming oversold, pointing to the company's expanding pipeline in government and enterprise AI, as well as recent strategic partnerships that could fuel long-term revenue growth. Many long-term holders see the weakness as a classic shakeout before the next leg up, especially if AI-related spending continues to accelerate globally. Bears, however, remain unconvinced. They continue to highlight the company's rich valuation multiples relative to current earnings, warning that even small disappointments in growth or margins could trigger deeper corrections. Some skeptics also note that sentiment toward AI themed stocks has become more fragmented, with investors re evaluating which companies are truly positioned to monetize the technology at scale. As a result, the company has become a battleground stock once again. Bulls buying dips on conviction in the long term AI story, while bears caution that the stock may still have room to fall if macro conditions worsen or if expectations reset further. Traders are watching closely to see whether strong support levels hold or whether selling pressure intensifies in the new year. Underlying trend still remains robustly bullish. So the stock is showing a lot of weakness or is bearish within the short, intermediate, and medium term trend, all within a bullish long term trend. Okay, so consolidation is what is expected, at least up till the 12th of February. Okay, there might be days when it will spike, and then there'll be days when it will deep, you know. Yeah, and it's not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average. Okay, projections on this daily chart is saying only 176.41 as things stand right now. Before then, before as of the 31st, it had including the 176.41, it also had 179.68, 219.33, 235.69, 245.80. Momentum is expected to yeah, remain trace out the same sort of pattern as well. For now, it's saying that it could actually print up to seven straight session of losses. Yeah, saying it's actually saying that it may remain weak up till the 6th of January, and then that is after that from the 7th, momentum is expected to pick up and remain strong at least up till the 30th. Okay, we'll see how it goes. That will be a positive, but in that time, the stock might be dropping, dipping, and spiking, dipping and bouncing within that range. That's between the 7th of January and the 30th of January. So we'll see. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, there are no extrapolations. So we'll let's see whether there are any projections here. Oh, nothing. Nothing to the upside. Well, nothing. Okay, well, we have some upper projections. We have 288.96, 342, 342.97, 376.35, and indeed there are also downward projections of 111.59, 125.58, and 148.23. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, consolidation is what is expected towards the 13th of January. But to be more specific, it's actually saying that from the 7th, it might pick up strength. Okay, so in the midst of all of this consolidation that is being extrapolated, it might actually be strength from the 7th to the 13th. Okay, momentum is expected to build up as well from then as well. Yeah. Let's see now. We could also apply the market grid. It might give us a range of prices. It has the potential to trade within, especially given this plunge that the down it has the downtrend it has been on since the 26th of December. Let's see now. It might give us a range of prices so that we can balance things out. So you can see here it has the potential to trade to test the lows of around 161.55. At the same time as well, has the potential to trade to test 174.21. So 174.21, let's see whether we can find it. 174.21. It should be somewhere here. 174.21. Yeah, somewhere here. 174.21. Yeah, so statistically, the probability of it doing so is not high at all, not high at all, less than 50%. But it doesn't mean it's not going to happen. Yeah. There's nothing much on its options grid. Okay. It did a decent amount of so that it's the volume in yesterday's trading session, that is yesterday the second, was up by roughly 30%, the volume. Yeah, and but it was down 5.56%, but in the post market session again, that 1.04. What is actually okay? Actually, yeah, algo seems to be suggesting that it might get a bounce as well. So far so good. It's looking good. What do we have on its daily chart? It's not pointing that. Yeah, it's not so far. It's not looking that good on the daily chart. It's yeah, that's why we sometimes have a look at its 4 hour chart. It can be given that it's always active. It's always active, apart from the weekends. Sometimes it's I mean that's why it's not we don't ignore it. We always have a look at it. So far it's looking good. Yeah, so it's looking good. It's saying that it might hold up till midday on Monday the 5th. So have a look and see what you make of Palantir stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.